Hi. Yeah, come.
You all got phones, right? Yeah. So it's okay. So you're the type who wants to cycle fast. It's okay. Once we get to the motorcycle lane, right? Really, you want to speed off, right? We'll see you at Subang. The Subang. The LRT.
Oh.
Motor lane beside.
Yeah, that's right. Beside the motor lane, so we can actually stop there and then those who really want to shoot off one, then
run.
There, okay.
Still very dark. It's shadow. Lady. Video Okay, come see here. Video It's a bit dark but oh, you were there at Pavilion, is it? Yeah. Hi.
This is the first ROPJ ride since forever lah. But look how many people turned up. Woohoo! Stop at traffic lights also can take Wi-Fi, you see lah. We stopped here to let those at the back catch up. This motorcycle lane was being upgraded for the longest time. It seems they've finally finished doing the upgrades and we're here to cycle it. Heh, and as you can see, the lights are fused at this stretch. Even though it wasn't lit, at least I didn't see any holes that will cause injury to riders. This part is quite nicely lit. And when you cycle into a tunnel, you have to test its echoes. Alamak, back to the darkness. Ha! Looks like the reports are wrong. The motorcycle lane upgrading is not finished. We had to cycle out in the highway. That's the motorcycle lane on the left that we should be on. Well, hopefully we can turn back into the motorcycle lane soon. Oh boy, we are still on the highway. I see the slip road to join the motorcycle lane. Finally!
What lah? Say the lane finish, not finish also.
We were supposed to finish our ride in Subang, but the group decided to have ice cream in Batu Tiga. So, off we went. Ooh, tunnel ahead. You know what's going to happen. After ice cream at Batu Tiga, the group decided that they hadn't had enough cycling. So off we went to Shah Alam. Actually, Jenny said, let's go to Klang, but I thought, gila lah. Downhill!
Oh, not bad, this one.
That's the new Shah Alam Hall. Looks quite nice. Most parts of the motorcycle lane are in darkness, no lights whatsoever. And that's really dangerous for the riders because you can't see holes on the road and you could injure yourself.
Oh, see here. Hi, see here. Hello. Hi, video ya. Hi.
I also grow manis.
Baron, see here, Baron.
Okay.
Hi, video. Oh. See ya. See ya, see ya. See ya. Yay. Oh, nah. Okay.